In this video, we will learn how to monitor the progress of the dd command in Ubuntu using the terminal. First, open the terminal by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T on your keyboard. Once the terminal is open, you can use the dd command with a special option that shows you the progress in real time. Here is an example. Type this command in your terminal: dd if =/dev/0 of =output .imgbs =1mcount =1000 status =progress. Let me explain what each part of this command means. The if option stands for input file. In this case, we are using dev/0, which is a special file that produces empty data. The ov option stands for output file. This will be the file where the data is written. In our case, it is named output.img. The bs option sets the block size. We are using 1 megabyte as the size of each block. The count option tells dd how many blocks to write. Here, we are writing 1,000 blocks. Finally, the status equals progress part is the most important. It tells dd to show you how much data has been copied so far and at what speed. When you run this command, you will start seeing the progress in the terminal. It will display the number of bytes copied and the transfer speed. This helps you know how far along the copy process is and how much time it might still take. This is how you monitor the progress of dd using the Ubuntu terminal. You can use the status option for real-time updates. Monitoring the progress helps you stay informed and saves time when handling large data operations with dd. Thank you for watching.